Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check if the music is copyrighted or not. But before we start, I would like to tell you that this method of checking for copyrighted music is not 100% guaranteed. There might still be some flaws like false check, which I will show you in each case later on. Okay, let's get started. The first step is finding the music you want to check. If you have literally no information about the track, you might go check out my previous video about identifying music using AHA Music Song Finder tool. Here, as an instance, I pick My Castle Town by ISWC from my identification history. By the way, even though you already have some info about the music, you might want to verify it again by searching for the track in Music Brains. I recommend doing advanced search so that you can search both the artist name and the track name at the same time. On the result page, click the track that's likely to be the one you are looking for on the list. Then find and click on Play or Listen Brains. Listen to the track to confirm if this is the right one. When you are certain that it's the right track, we'll proceed to the next step. The next step is finding copyright information on ROW websites. ROW stands for Performing Rights Organization, in case you would like to know. This step can take quite a long time if you really want to be sure, because you would have to check with multiple ROW websites of different countries. To keep the video short, I've shown you how to do that with only two pros, BMI and ascap, which cover most of the music in the world and are easy to use. Following the website links in the description, you'll be directed to these pages. On both pages, you can see the same thing, song view, here. And this is the reason why I chose BMI and ascap, as they work together to develop song view where data from both websites are accessible, so you don't have to check on both websites, just pick the one you prefer. In general, the websites only require you to input the track name and the artist names, which you can obtain those from step 1. Here you see the track name is My Castle Town and the artist is ISWC. Well, the artist's name can be interpreted as performer, writer or composer, or publisher, but usually it will be performer. However, when you check for the copyright information, you should check with the artist's name as a writer and publisher too. After you have filled in these fields, click search and wait for it to process. If there is copyright information, it will show below here, like this. And that means you shouldn't use it in your video if you want to publish it to YouTube, for example. But in this case, it doesn't have any copyright information. The next step is optional in case you want to ensure if the track is really copyrighted or not, but it's still not 100% though. It is similar to the previous one, but we search for the copyright information on the ISWC network instead. By the way, you still have to search on a pro before this anyway, which I will explain in no time. After we agree on the terms of use, we will be on this page. You see, there are 4 options for you to search for the information. All 4 options require you to fill in information that you get from a pro. Even though the third option looks similar to searching on Pro, it requires the creator's name, not the artist's name. So you cannot use the artist's name from music brands. Here, I have highlighted where to obtain each information in a Pro to fill in each field. I only show you the ascap page, but don't worry, it does look similar to BMI too. To be honest, I don't quite recommend doing this further after the Pro step because it's hard to use. You wouldn't know what to fill in here, here, or here, unless you look it up or watch my video. Also, the easiest option to search in my opinion, which is by track name in here, it doesn't work properly. As you can see, I did a search by title with the track name and the creator's name from the ISWC code search result, which should show the same result as the ISWC code 1, yet it shows no result. What? But hey, as I said at the beginning of the video, this method is not perfect at all. I'll show you why. Here I'm on my YouTube studio page. It says this music 130 movement by Jake Shutnell is copyrighted. So let's check for the copyright info on BMI. See, it says no result found. So this means it shouldn't be copyrighted, right? But in fact, it is. I got the copyright claim. Another example, I have used a music from Minecraft music disc called Stall by C418 in this video. On BMI, it shows the copyright info of that music, but till now, I still haven't received a claim of the music in that video yet. As you can see, there's no C418 music claim here. Why did this happen? For the first case, I can specifically say because I don't have enough information on this case. But for the second one, the music is either released on public domain or has Creative Commons license, so you can use it without getting a claim. In the end, the most reliable way is still to let the video streaming service check it for you by uploading a preview video as unlisted for YouTube, by the way. Alright, that covers everything. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if I missed something or got something wrong, I'm sorry for that, and please let me and other people know in the comment section below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.